To fix Messenger not sending messages, follow these steps. First, check your internet connection to ensure it is stable and working properly. A weak or lost connection can prevent Messenger from sending messages. Next, restart the Messenger app or your device to refresh the connection and resolve any temporary issues. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve the problem. Then, check for updates in the App Store, as an outdated version of Messenger can cause sending issues. Install any available updates to ensure you have the latest features and bug fixes. After that, check your message settings to ensure they are configured correctly. Make sure you have not accidentally turned off message sending or have not blocked the recipient. Additionally, check if the recipient has blocked you or has not accepted your message request if you are trying to send a message to someone who is not a friend on Facebook. They may not receive your message until they accept your request. If none of the above steps work, try clearing the Messenger app cache to remove any temporary data that may be causing the issue. You can do this by going to your device settings and selecting the Messenger app, then choosing the Clear Cache option. Finally, if you are still having trouble, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Messenger app. This will reset the app to its default settings and may resolve any underlying issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Messenger not sending messages and get back to communicating with your friends and family. Remember to always keep your app and device up to date to prevent future issues.